Hey, this is Rich Thurman here, and I just want to take a moment to share a little tip with you on how to monetize your content and just the actions you take. And rather than trading your time for money, really think about what are all the actions you can take, and can you do one action and then potentially have it make money for you forever. And so here I am. Basically, I'm writing an article about how to monetize your webinar. So if you have an online webinar and you want to make money from it, there's a bunch of different ways to do that. So in my article here, I'm writing, and I got to this point where dealing with transcripts, right? And so the idea is that you do a video, and one of the things that you can sell is a transcript of your once in a lifetime or one shot only webinar. So if you like this webinar, or if you like this webinar and you like the transcripts, you can pay $10 to be able to get access to it here, that kind of stuff. So the thing is to transcribe, that's a service. And so you have to ask yourself the question, is there a service out there that, one, there are a bunch of services and software and stuff like that do this, or people do this, and so on. So people make money off of doing transcriptions. So the question is which one's the best one to use, and so on. And this is the opportunity where you can look for a particular person or service or anything like that that has a program that'll allow you to monetize mentioning them, right? So if you send them traffic, stuff like that. So here I have transcription. So I'm okay, well, who can I bring up, right? And so what I'll do, I want to take the opportunity to basically monetize this thing here, right? So I want to add in hey, if you need transcription services, make sure you check out these 3 services, right? And then all 3 services, I would have an affiliate link, right? And then it's also in the site's terms and conditions that that I promote, and I make money off of mentioning stuff, right? So it's all on the up and up. So I'll just go to Google, right? And then it's all up, but I just want the search to be here in the center. So I'll do transcription software with an affiliate program, right? And so this will give me a search results of all the transcription software that's out there. And then, it's add. And then the number 1 is Go Transcript, right? So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And then they actually have an affiliate program, right? And so you can start earning money. So I'll go start earn now. And then, start going through the steps of getting this signed up. So once you do that, then the next thing to do is you go to your website, Small Business Community. So this is my website, Small Business Community. And in here, I have a plugin, and I have a report, 10 ways to monetize your blog. And I have some courses and stuff like that to go more in depth with these things. And so one of the plugins I use for WordPress is called affiliate links. And so what I'll do is here, while I'm waiting to get approved for that affiliate program, I'm going to go ahead and just add a new link for it. And then I'm going to give it a name. It's called Go Transcript, because that's the name of the company. And right now I'm just going to give the URL here. Now, when I get an affiliate link, it'll have some tracking code and stuff like that they'll give me. But for now, I'm just going to go ahead and set it here. So that way I don't have to go back and edit the article, or if I do any other articles where I hot link the transcription keyword to their website, I don't have to go back and find every single post I've ever done, right? So that's the target URL. And then I just hit publish. And so now that gives me what we call a cloaked affiliate link. And when this comes up here, it gives me a cloaked affiliate link. So now I can share this. If anybody ever asks me about transcriptions or transcription service, I can give them my smallbusinesscommunity.org/go/go transcript. And that takes them to the Go Transcripts website, and it'll eventually be utilizing my affiliate link so that they get so I get the credit for their traffic. And if they purchase, I get some percentage. I get some money somewhere, sometime, depending on how long this is out there. And this is the whole idea, is that you write an article, the article will always be there. You do search engine optimization, you mention it on social media, people will find it eventually, and then if they click on it, then they might buy it, or they might not. But if they do, there's a potential. There's always a potential, and it's more than zero, because not taking the action would be zero. So just creating it creates a probability of greater than zero that you will make money off of making that hot link. So now that I got this there, and just give you an idea, let me hit all the affiliate links so you get an idea. So I have many pages of affiliate links where if they click on those keywords and they go to the results of those keywords and they purchase, I actually get paid money, which is pretty cool sometimes. Well, all the time it's cool to get paid money. So here I am. I'm going to go ahead and just exit out of this and then return back to it so that I can reload it. I'm going to pause. Okay, it's coming back here. So basically, I want that new affiliate link to show up when I do this here. So come up. So I'm typing along, and it's like have transcriptionists transcribe the recordings to create a report for the event. You can sell it just as a transcript, or you can make it into an ebook, combining with other writings, stuff like that. A good service to use to transcribe is Go Transcript. You can check here. So now it's hot linked. You can check them out here. Right now, this is automatically hot linked to gotranscript.com, which I don't really want. So I'm going to click on this right here, this affiliate, or this href link, and I'm going to go here and I'm going to update it, right? So I'm going to get rid of what's there, and then I'm just going to type in Go Trans, right? And that gives me the affiliate link, and then update that. Now, if anybody clicks on that, it'll utilize my affiliate link going forward. Or another way to do it is I could just do these keywords, transcriptionist, transcribe, and I could hot link that as well. Go trans, right? And that'll bring up the affiliate link, and I can link that as well. The difference between these two is this is a passive, it's totally passive. They may click on it, they may not. This is a direct call to action. So there you have it. I thought I would just throw this video together real quick, give you a tip. If you're out there creating content and doing blogs, stuff like that, you can definitely make money, earn money, and if you are consistent with it, you can make a significant amount of money, have time freedom, because this is something that will make money for you while you're sleeping. It may take forever, and that all depends on how much traffic you drive to your website, and then that's part of the fun in the games. So if you have any more questions, if you have any questions out of what I just shared with you, I do have a link to Ola Reports 10 ways to monetize your blog. So in the description somewhere around this video, there's a button or a description or a link that'll allow you to get that downloaded. And you can find out 10 other ways to monetize your blog. So thanks for watching.